Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials so the activation won't fail. First, make sure your phone is compatible and NFC is enabled if you plan to tap. Once done, install or update Google Pay, enable location and correct time zone, and gather ID and your international card. If your bank blocks foreign IPs, connect a reliable VPN or use a local SIM for verification. These steps remove most immediate roadblocks and get you ready to add a payment method. You now add and verify your card so transactions will process. Open Google Pay, sign in, and pick Add Payment Method. Scan or type the card number and expiry. When the bank sends a verification request, respond via OTP sent to your phone or confirm inside your bank app. If the OTP fails, flip your VPN or insert a local SIM for the code. Make sure the billing address matches the card's country to avoid declines. This is the critical middle phase where most errors occur, so proceed carefully. You finish by configuring and testing to confirm Google Pay works abroad. Set your preferred card as default, enable NFC payments, and make a small test buy or transit tap to confirm. If the bank blocks the card, contact them to enable international use or try another card. Sometimes issuers require manual approval. If Google Pay crashes or shows errors, clear the app cache, reinstall, and re-add the card. One key tip: if verification fails repeatedly, temporarily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.